Well, Patronus is a composable DeFi liquidity protocol based on Aptos network and Move language, which aims to provide a set of products and services to meet increasing capital flow needs safely and efficiently. Patronus applies cutting-edge underlying framework and is gifted with better capabilities in interest rate algorithm, position management, and liquidation. Patronus is now available on Aptos Mainnet, and it has passed the security audit by Movebit. You can now review the audit report as well as the white paper by visiting the official website. As a DeFi lending platform, Patronus' vision is to be the next generation liquidity protocol. Refer to the lending capability. Patronus supports diversified crypto assets and collaterals. Refer to the leverage capability. Patronus allows users to create and control leverage based on their risk preference. Refer to the cross-chain capability. Patronus supports multi-chain deployment, provides arbitrage opportunities, and market price discovery. Refer to the composability. Patronus supports the free combination of the business and the DeFi applications. Here is the problem. Currently, there isn't one versatile liquidity protocol. First, the assets are being separated on too many protocols. Second, the capital efficiency is always low. The third, DeFi is still not widely used. The Patronus team has rich industry experience, especially in DeFi sector. The partners entered the blockchain industry around 2017, and the core engineers have matured capabilities on infrastructure and coding. So, based on the bottom of Aptos high-performance blockchain, Patronus focused on the long-term symbiosis between DeFi capital and the specific business, covers major financial activities in the form of self-research combination, maximize capital efficiency, change the plight of capital nomad, and provides services in the form of products that facilitate users to participate in various markets. Patronus lending service is based on a peer-to-peer model. The lender deposits the asset in the corresponding public liquidity pool, where the borrower can lend the assets from the liquidity pool after depositing the qualified collaterals. Users can withdraw or repay at any time, without paying attention to the long term. Based on the interaction of the supply and demand, the model automatically adjusts the interest rate, and then adjusts the total scale of lending and capital supply. Different interest rate models are designed for different types of assets. Okay, now I'd like to say something about the highlight of Patronus project. The first is continuous interest compounding. And instead of the traditional way of compounding by the block, Patronus distributes interest by the second. Patronus converts deposit APY and borrowing APY into interest rate per second and adapts continuous compounding calculation to ensure the perfect match between the actual interest and the borrowing period. The second highlight is the position isolated tool. Patronus provides a convenient tool to manage borrowing position risk, that is sub-accounts. Holding one single address, users are able to manage multiple risk-isolated positions via Patronus. The third, optimized liquidation mechanism. Most lending protocols do not usually set a liquidation ratio when dealing with a position under insufficient collateralized status. The corresponding collateral will be sold at a discount to pay off all debt, and it seems slightly simple and rough. Patronus will calculate a dynamic and reasonable liquidation ratio for each account so that the high-quality collateral will not suffer from the unnecessary discount treatment. Patronus aims to provide a suite of DeFi protocols for a safer and more efficient capital flow. To achieve this goal, the following three aspects are the core of our building. The first, support the fullest possible range of asset types. Second, support for lower threshold liquidity trading. Third, support reasonable leverage. I refer to the leveraged mining. It is an innovative way to address user liquidity needs. Patronus will evaluate and combine secure mining pool protocols to provide users with leveraged lending and one-click mining services. Derivatives are the financial services with the largest trading volumes in the traditional financial industry. We anticipate that the development of high-performance chains will attract more crypto derivative trading activities. Patronus will develop derivative trading categories and a platform to bring convenience and generate profits for investors. Also, we will have a perpetual swap services in the future. Okay, now I'd like to show more details on how to use Patronus platform. First, visit the official website and you can review the homepage. And here's the mission, the asset supported, and what makes Patronus stand out, and the capability framework. At the bottom, you can join the Discord, follow our Twitter, and review the Movebit report. And then you can click Land app to jump in. Here, you can see the clear navigations here. And now, okay, now let's connect the wallet first. You can see currently Patronus supports two wallets, Petra and Martian. Now we choose Petra, for example. Here, you click Approve, and then you connect it. Okay, I may try to deposit some Aptos coins and borrow some USDC. Okay, then we can click here to start the deposit. Okay, here you can see the deposit information and the borrow information. Before deposit operation, we can check the APT price and the relevant parameters. Okay, I may input 4 or just click the max. Please be informed when deposit APT as collateral asset, at least 0.2 APT will be reserved as a potential gas. Then I change the number into 4 and click deposit. We can check the deposit amount, deposit value, and the risk index. Confirm and approve. Yeah, successful. Then just wait. Yeah, let's check the dashboard. Yeah, this is the total deposit. Okay, then we try to borrow some USDC. We click borrow, and to enter this page, we can see what amount now we are available to borrow. And let's just input 5. Yeah, and you can see the wallet balance and the risk index raised from 0. Then we click borrow. Yeah, you can see the borrow amount, borrow value, and the risk index. Click confirm. You just wait. Network fee and approve. Okay. Then we go to dashboard. Yeah, you can see the total deposit value and the total debt value. So that's we just finished the deposit and the borrow. And now we can just repay the debt. They just click here to repay the USDC just borrowed. They just click it's the interest. Just click max, repay. Yeah, the risk index will down to 0. Approve. Okay, we just clear our debt. Let's check the dashboard. It's okay. Yeah, I think the last step is to get our deposit back. Then we choose the withdrawal and click max. Click withdraw. Yeah, wait, approve. Oh, finished. Then we can see the dashboard. Yeah, it returned to the original situation. Here we just finished the deposit, borrow, repay, and withdraw functions. Currently, Patronus has passed the code security audit by Movebit and has been launched on the Aptos Mainnet. Patronus will announce tokenomics and select the proper time and platform for TGE. The Liquidity Institute Plan is an effective means of ecological construction, but it needs to be carefully designed to better protect the interests of the community. For more information, please refer to our roadmap.